Hopefully making that intro hasn't worn out my poor canopy locks. Nope, they're still working, that's good. What's up guys? I promised I'd update you on how the MRT Central Locking system has been performing once I'd had a chance to put it through some real world use out on the tracks. And well, it's been installed for about 6 months now, so I thought I'd stop and make this quick video to let you know how it's been performing out on the tracks. And let me just start by saying that I don't think I could ever go back to having a canopy without remote central locking. So what's it been like to live with over the past 6 months, and how much has it enriched my life, if at all? Well, I've been fortunate enough to head away on quite a few camping trips this year, mostly just weekenders, and it has been so convenient. I'm someone who likes to leave the canopy locked up as often as possible. I lock it when I'm going up to the tent, I lock it when I'm heading away from camp for a couple of minutes, just all the time. And it's been so awesome to do that with the press of a button. One scenario where I found it particularly useful is when I head up to my tent at night, I'm getting ready to go to sleep and I think to myself, did I lock the canopy? Before I'd have to head down the ladder, manually check each lock separately, but now, so easy. Okay, what else should I cover? Well, the range is still insane. I remember we tested that at the end of the installation video, and I thought to myself, like, when would you need that type of range in the real world? I've since figured out exactly when that's useful, so whenever I go to the shops, I'll jump out, lock the car and head off into the shops without remembering to lock the canopy. But with the insane range this system has, I can basically lock and unlock it from anywhere. And because it's essentially a massive metal box with 6 locks all activating at the same time, you can hear that clang noise from anywhere, so I know it's actually locked. One question I get asked a fair bit is what happens if you either lose the key fob or if the battery in the canopy goes flat. Allow me to demonstrate. So let me lock the canopy up with the key fob, and now I better put this somewhere safe. Well, now that my key fob's been stolen, how do I get into the canopy? Well, luckily the central locking system has a manual override that works exactly the same as the standard canopy locks. So long as you keep at least one of the included keys handy somewhere around your car, you can still get into the canopy. You just have to do it the old-fashioned way. Easy as that. And the good thing is with this system is the key and the key fob both work together. So it doesn't matter if I've locked it with the key fob, I can unlock it with the key. If I've locked it with the key, I can unlock it with the key fob. They both work together. So we've covered how amazing the system is, but has anything gone wrong over the past 6 months? Well, the only thing that sort of falls into this category is that for a little while, one of the locks was playing up a little bit and I'd have to press the unlock button a couple of times to get it to properly unlock. To fix this, all I did was change the arrangement of the locks around. So I took one that was working fine, swapped it with the one that was malfunctioning a little bit, and hey presto, now they both work, so go figure on that front. I think that must mean I may have done something wrong during the initial install, but now they both work fine, and I thought it was just worth mentioning in case you're experiencing something similar with yours. But overall, the system has been absolutely fantastic. It's been a game changer for us out on the tracks, and even just for ducking to Bunnings on the weekend. Well, that's about all I wanted to cover on the central locking system. A bit of an update on the channel front. My GoPro that I use a lot during these videos for the more action-y type stuff is actually broken. So that's kind of limited the videos I've been able to produce over the past few weeks. But it did break under warranty, so I've sent it off to be assessed and hopefully replaced. Let's just hope they don't notice that it fell off the car. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Bianca and I are planning on heading away for a short camping trip at some point over the next few weeks. I know a couple of you have been asking where she's been for the past few videos. So come out Bianca, come out from behind the camera, show them you're still alive.
Hi guys, I'm still alive, still well. I've just been very, very busy lately, but I'll fill you guys in on the next video that we do. So yeah. For now, I am freezing, the weather is really cold today.
We've managed to just shoot this video without getting soaked, but as you can maybe hear, the rain just started to pour down, so we better head home. Yep. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe and happy camping.